Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through the process of creating and selling an online course using Wix. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to launch your course and start reaching your audience. Let's dive right in. To get started, log in to wix.com. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Add Apps. Search for Wix Online Programs or find it under Wix Business Solutions. This tool is already built into Wix, so there's no need to rely on third-party platforms. It's designed to help you create, manage, and sell courses directly from your site. After adding the feature, a new page called Program List will appear automatically. This page will serve as the main hub for your courses. Next, personalize this page to align with your brand and course content. You can rename it to something more descriptive, like Cooking Classes or MasterChef Academy if you're offering culinary lessons. Then, take a moment to customize the layout. Resize elements, adjust the menu bars, and remove anything unnecessary, such as social links or widgets that don't add value. The aim here is to create a clean, user-friendly interface that makes it easy for visitors to explore your offerings. Once your page is ready, it's time to build your course. Head to the Online Programs section in your Wix dashboard, where you'll see options for creating various types of courses, such as online programs, fitness challenges, or even personal coaching. You can start with a template if you want a quick setup, or design your course from scratch for more control. Decide whether your course will be self-paced, allowing participants to learn at their convenience, or scheduled with a specific start date for all participants. For this example, let's choose the scheduled option and set the start date 6 days from now. To keep your course organized and engaging, divide it into steps or modules. For example, a cooking course could include modules such as knife skills, basic cooking techniques, and mastering desserts. This structure not only keeps learners on track, but also makes the content easier to digest. With the content in place, you can now set up pricing and access options. Decide whether the course will be public, require approval for participants, or be invite-only. Pricing can be flexible too. You might choose a one-time payment or a subscription model. To make your course even more engaging, consider creating groups where participants can interact, share their progress, and ask questions. Adding rewards like badges for completing modules or reaching milestones is another great way to motivate learners and make the experience more enjoyable. Once everything is finalized, click the Publish button to make your course live. Don't forget to save your site and view it in preview mode to ensure it looks great and functions smoothly from a user's perspective. On the course page, participants will be able to browse the program details, join, and make their payments seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully created and published an online course using Wix. With this powerful platform, you can share your expertise, connect with learners, and generate income all in one place. Thank you for watching.